has asked for a bond to be set.
Right from the jump. The tension's thick. Mr. Cully's back in court, and this time, it's serious. Probation for obstruction or retaliation? That's not a minor slip-up. Buckle in, because what follows is a legal roller coaster of second chances and near misses.
Let me look real quick here. I say real quick.
Yeah, I brought it down. I have a note on it.
Sorry, it's just taking a little bit. It's spinning. All right, so it's a straight probation. It was a 10-year probation that was probated for 10 years. And the allegations in that motion are an allegation of a new offense of tampering with or fabricating physical evidence from August 9th.
Here's where things start stacking up. Probation violations galore. Missed reports, drug possession, failure to verify community service. In the world of probation, each one of these is a landmine. And if the court believes any of them, revocation could mean prison time.
And then failure to report by mail, some dates, failure to report change of address, failing to report that arrest, possessing methamphetamine August 9th of 2025, failing to provide verification of performing community service, being somewhere other than at his residence at 12:12 a.m. on August 9th of 2025, and then just a little bit behind in court assessed fees. Let me see here. Looks like Mr. Culie has previously been to Safe P as a condition of probation back in 2023. This is at least the, so he was on a deferred probation, revoked off of that probation, placed on a straight probation. So
let's pause for context. This isn't Cully's first rodeo. The judge mentions multiple motions to revoke. Translation: he's been given more than one shot to get it right. So, the big question is, how many chances does someone deserve before the system gives up on rehabilitation?
this is at least the third, it looks like, motion to revoke. Is that correct? Okay. I'm trying to get back all the way, if I can find the old pre-sentence report, just to refresh, but I don't see that.
I have a copy if you look at it.
I would love to look at a copy of that. If you have it, that'd be great. And while you're doing that, what is the status of the new alleged offense of that tampering?
It has not been filed, Your Honor.
It hasn't been filed yet.
Any idea of what's...
It probably will, but I can confirm that.
I can't hear you.
I expect it would probably be filed, but I need to confirm with you.
Mr. Macon, you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd call Mr. Cooley, Your Honor.
Mr. Cooley, best you can, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you, sir.
Mr. Cooley, your probation was transferred to Dallas, correct?
And now, the defense takes the floor. Watch closely, this is where the strategy comes in, Mr. Min. The defense attorney needs to paint his client as compliant and redeemable. Every question is designed to build that narrative.
And how many times have you reported in Dallas?
I'm not sure the exact number, but since I've been home for safety, came home for safety maybe 2 years ago. So every time since then.
Monthly?
Monthly.
Okay. And during that time, did they give you your drug screening, drug test?
Yes, sir.
And did you pass all of them?
All of it.
Okay. Now, the judge has mentioned this new arrest and all. Were you in a car with other people?
Yes, sir.
Did you know they had paraphernalia and drugs in the car?
I did.
You did?
I did.
Okay, you understand you can't even be around people like that.
So I didn't realize that they had it till the last minute. It was lack of judgment, straight up lack of judgment.
Okay. But you weren't doing drugs?
No.
Okay. Why didn't you mail reporting things to Jefferson County?
So coming from Jefferson County and then being transferred to Dallas, it's worked. Coming home from Sage Peak, there's a lot of different, I guess you say a lot of different things that you're trying to keep up with. Every month when I meet the PO.
Notice how Culie's trying to explain away the reporting confusion classic mix-up between counties. But in probation terms, I didn't know rarely flies. The judge has heard that line 1,000 times. The tension here. Whether sincerity can outweigh system failure.
They go down the list of things. Are you paying your fines? Are you keeping up with community service? Are you doing this? Are you doing that? Are you doing that? That wasn't on the list of things to do.
And you didn't think you needed to mail something to Jefferson
No,
County?
not at all.
Okay, but you reported all the time to Dallas?
I didn't miss anything.
And did everything you were supposed to in Dallas?
Correct.
Okay, who was your Dallas probation officer?
So I've had numerous. They switch them. I probably had, since I've been home from safety, I probably had 3 or 4 different probation officers.
Okay. Now, should the judge grant you a bond, will you report and be here for every court appearance?
100%.
Okay, while we're on that, you turned yourself in, correct, as soon as you found out there was a warrant for your arrest?
I did. So I'm, Ms. West, and in all honesty, Judge West, I'm thankful for you. I'm truly thankful for you. That safety, it completely saved my life.
Okay. Now, should you make bond, you have jobs waiting for you, right?
I do.
Okay, in fact, you have 2 jobs.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're always staying busy and paying everything.
I am.
Okay. Your wife lives up in Dallas, and you would naturally ask that you be allowed to go back to Dallas, but report by mail to Jefferson County. You
Cool.
understand that now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so just for the record, I'm reviewing the administrative hearing, which has attached to it that incident report from the Dallas arrest. And I'm a little confused because the incident report narrative states that Mr. Culie was the only occupant in the car.
Go.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I was the only occupant of the car at the time. I was sitting at a hotel. I had 3 to 4 people with me. They ran upstairs to the hotel to come back down. So they were literally.
So what-
I offered the officer.
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that's fine if you were doing that.
And there it is. The judge calls him out. The meth pipe, the midnight hotel scene. Those details kill credibility. Even if Culie wasn't using, being in that environment breaks probation rules. It's the kind of moment that can swing a case from hope to hopeless.
It's after midnight. You're sitting in a car at a hotel. What are they doing running up and down other than getting drugs because you've got a meth pipe that you throw out as soon as the cops get there? And Mr. Smith, anything to add?
Well, I'm not as far as that goes, Judge, but I was going to show you the pre-sentence update that shows that he was aware of reporting by mail because it was addressed in 2022 or 2023 when that came up.
Your request for a bond's denied. I mean, this has been probation since, well, I guess when did we actually start? Back in 16 or even
I
before?
was here, Rachel Grove was the prosecutor originally.
Yeah. And it's gone from the opportunity of a deferred to now a straight to
With safety.
safety to being out at midnight with buddies running up to a hotel with meth. So, nope. I'll set it for an announcement for the
Thank you.
NTRP.
We'd like a hearing as soon as possible.
Do you want to go ahead and go through the motion today then? Because you'll have to go through and plead true or not true, and then if you want a hearing on punishment, we'll reset it for that. So if you want to go ahead and do the pleas today, y'all can visit real quick.
Can I have a week, Your Honor, to go over my client and be ready for that?
Yeah, it'll just be for the pleas though, not a hearing.
Yeah.
Okay, unless it's, because we'll have to get an update and all of that. So we'll reset it. I don't know what
Whenever
next week
Kelly
looks like.
can.
We don't have next week because it's a holiday. Tuesday is, so it'll be a couple of weeks.
Oh, Thanksgiving.
No, next week is
Oh, yeah.
Veterans
Y'all
Day.
observe that too?
So it'll be at least 2 weeks, and that'll be just for a plea. Just for the pleas. Okay, we'll reset it.
Yeah. All
right, you can go back with the bailiff. Degree felony offense of unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That was a 10-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? It alleges you violated your probation. Hold on a second. I'm printing it out. I'm having a hard time reading it. Count 1 alleges that you committed the new offense of possession of a controlled substance July 4th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Speak up. Not true.
Count 2 alleges that you failed to avoid persons